Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday morning. Sorry that I am not here this morning. I got my second shot yesterday. So hopefully I wake up and I feel great. Fingers crossed. But just in case, I didn't want to sit here or have to go into school and be struggling. But I wanted to make you a video because I feel like sometimes when I post things on Classroom, it's hard to understand. So this assignment is it's scheduled to go off tomorrow at 8 a.m. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the elements of design and fashion. So you may be familiar with the elements of art and design, and they're similar, or they are the same. There's one extra where pattern's a little bit different. So the first thing that you're going to do, hopefully, is watch this video. And then I want you to watch the elements of design, this first YouTube video. This woman's going to walk you through in 8 minutes all the elements. She has really good examples and great visuals that I think will help really understand not only what the elements are, but how they affect design. And then the next video I want you to watch is this second one, the elements of fashion design line. This video is 9 minutes and it's specifically about line and what it does to a fashion garment when used in different ways. And it talks about structural lines versus decorative lines. So I really want you to watch the elements of design first, this first video, then watch the second one, elements of fashion design line. The next thing you're going to do, which I hope is the fun part, is you're going to click on the Google slide. Everyone should get one. And then I tried to spell it out for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to define what structural lines are. What are they? You'll find out the answer in the second video. And then just a sentence or two that explains structural lines. And then I want you to go online and I want you to copy and paste 3 examples of structural line in fashion design. And then once you have them in here, just please delete this text box so that it looks really nice and clean. The next slide is decorative lines. Define it here. And then I want you to copy and paste 3 different examples of decorative lines in fashion. Find your resources wherever. You can Google it, see what comes up, but just make sure if you do Google the term that it actually is decorative or structural. The 4th slide, what I want you to do is I want you to go to mainstream mass market fashion stores, Gap, H&M, Old Navy, Target, and I want you to find 10 different examples and ways that lines are being used right now in today's fashion market for, it's accessible to everybody. 10 examples. And then finally, what I want you to do is there's a link on Classroom right here, fashion shows, Fashion Week, runway designers collections for Vogue. I want you to click on that link and then you can choose a designer. It's fall 2021 ready wear, just whatever. There's more right here, sorry. Click on it. Already lines are happening here. So then select a designer that you want to use to show how they're using lines. If you select one and you don't find, you find like 2 examples, find another designer. And I want you to showcase that designer and how they're using lines, and then write a brief statement just describing how they're using lines, what you think they're achieving by using lines, if it's effective, and what do you think the goal is of the designer and their choice of lines. I hope you guys have fun. If you don't finish all of this in class, that's fine. Don't sweat it. When I come back on Thursday, we'll see where we are. We're going to go through the next element. I'll have that queued up, ready to go. But depending upon where you are, you can definitely, I think, get to, be done the 3rd slide. But if you can get done all of it, great. I know we all work at different paces. So again, this is going to launch 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then this is the first video to watch, the elements of fashion design. This is the second video to watch. And then the elements of design, Google Slides. Everyone's going to get a copy. You're going to work off of that. And then this is just that link to Vogue. And I'm sure that when I post this link to my video, it'll be right here. Okay? All right. I hope you guys have a really great day. And I will see you on Thursday.